overarching spiritual principles and consequence of selfish desires. The Bible shows that focusing on person desire can lead to sin, no? And separation from God. Kung saan, diba? Yung kasalanan natin, naging separation natin sa Panginoon. Mayroong yung parusa nga, yung kamatayan, diba? Naging, yun yung naging separate, wala yun. Nasa gitna, no? And yung important of godly wisdom. The story of those who make inaccurate requests often highly a lack of godly wisdom and this discernment, God's judgment and mercy, no? Yung si Lord ang nagja-judge sa atin, no? Nag-hukom, diba? And mercy, yung habag niya. Those narratives showing God's serious view of sin and inaccurate desire, but also demonstrate His mercy, yung habag niya.